Racing gas is started. We have Dane Hill Choi very quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Tailwind to take the lead. Sant Antonio Antares Husia while Leap no doubt is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Tailwind by about 3 lengths and inside Antares. Sant Antonio, Dane Hill Choi comes next. Husi while Leap no doubt is still racing in 6. Back to the leader, we have Tailwind by about 6 lengths. And in second is Antares moving up down on the inside, Sant Antonio. And on the outside, Husi, Dane Hill Choi. While Leap no doubt is still racing in less. We have Tailwind by about 6 lengths. And in second remains Antares. Husi is on the outside, Sant Antonio. Dane Hill Choi comes next while Leap no doubt is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Tailwind by about 3 lengths. Hunter is in second. Sant Antonio is running by the rail. And on the outside, Husi. Then comes Leap, no doubt, Dane Hill Choi. And as they swing for home, we have Antares. And on the inside is Tailwind. Sant Antonio. Leap, no doubt, like twice now, coming closer with about 100 meters up. There is Antares. Sant Antonio, Antares followed by Sant Antonio. Then comes Leap, no doubt, Tailwind, Dane Hill Choi, and Husi.
Yun na,